Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows with a brow pencil and a brow kit. So I'm going to be doing two sides. So one brow is going to be with the brow kit and the other one's going to be with the brow pencil. So let's start off with the brow pencil. Now first you want to grab your spoolie. I'm just using a angled and a spoolie brush. This is from Morphe X Jeffree Star. This is the JS7 brush. So I'm just going to brush out my brows with my spoolie. I'm just gonna lean in closer so you guys can see. Now, I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 4. These are incredible. Like absolutely incredible. I highly recommend these from Benefit. They're so good. So I'm just gonna wind my pencil about this length, not too much. I've got my mirror. So what you're gonna do is I like to start from about here. So roughly not even halfway. So then I lightly brush. I'm just lightly filling in my brows. Very lightly, as you can see. See? Very, very lightly. Filling in my brows. So I get to the end. Now you can extend it like I have. And I usually just blend it out with my finger a little bit to make it look a bit more natural. It's totally up to you. And then I take my spoolie and I brush from where I started. So about halfway. And now I'm going to do the front. So what I like to do is I like to just go up like this. Up, up, up. Get those brush strokes and go this like this. And now I'm going to take my spoolie. I'm just going to brush up. Another thing I like to do is I like to take my brow pencil, and this is a good way to start, is I start here and I just kind of draw a little line over my brow bone. Alright, and there you have it. That's how you fill in your eyebrow using a brow pencil. Now let's move on to the other brow. And we're going to be using the e.l.f. brow kit in medium. These are so good. You get a brow pomade, a powder, and a little mirror. So I'm going to take my angled brush, load it up, not too much, and I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on this brow. I'm going to start in the middle and just gently, lightly strokes. Very, very lightly. Now I'm going to do the strokes again, like I did on the other brow with the pencil. Create a natural arch, very natural arch. Take a little bit more pomade. And lightly fill it in, get to the end. Now I'm going to take a spoolie and blend. And what I also like to do is take some of the powder, just a teeny bit, dab off any excess. And same thing, lightly fill it in. Over the top. And remember, you want your brows to look like sisters, not twins. And sometimes I also like to take my brow pencil and fill in a little bit of the gaps just a teeny bit. So just very lightly, just very lightly with a light hand, lightly brush through my brows with the pencil. And I take my spoolie and blend it. And that is how you do your brows using a brow pencil and a brow kit. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Yeah, so this is how I do my brows. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful.